Hi, right, I'm Alex Mason, and this is my Trek T1. Start with the Meach Advanced cranks, that's 48 chain ring, and goes to 16. Not sure what cog that is, but yeah. KMC cool chain, Halo Aero Track back wheel. Yeah. I've got a Bianchi Ciblo road front wheel. I got some roost bars that chop down with a Snelly stem, so Cane Creek headset.
What grips are those?
A Yeti. Yeah. Just found that. Shit. Bontrager Select seat and seat post, and just a seat clamp. That's a Bontrager as well, actually. Got token pedals with token leather straps and Christoph cages. Running a Continental Ultra Sport front tyre and a Maxxis back tyre, holding up right.
What saddle have you got?
Bontrager Select. Yeah. And
Boss.
got a Nog line doing at the moment.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it, I guess.